I am here to inform you something about our Bhuyan project. This is a noisy signal at a single frequency which is given to the DSP hardware that we are provided through a stereo input. Within the DSP, our reference signal is generated which is of the same frequency as that of the noisy signal. Now both these signals are multiplied in the multiplier and we get a resultant. The resultant consists of a sinusoidal signal and a DC component. After passing this resultant through the low pass filter, we only get the DC component which is a required output.
Saswat Satpathy, I will be telling you about the easy DSP board that we have been given by Texas Instruments. This is the TMS320C5535. The input is given through the stereo input which can be taken from the MATLAB or the CRO. The output is taken from the stereo output which is observed in the CRO. The output can also be taken from the USB board which is connected to the IIIT. This is a easy and efficient substitute for the hefty and expensive lock-in amplifiers that are generally used in laboratories.
I am Sidharth and I will be explaining about the coding process. First, the DSP board is initialized, that is the initialization process. The initialization process involves certain steps. First, the frequency is set to 100 MHz, then the TIIC 3204 codec is initialized, then the UART is initialized. After the initialization process, input is taken from a source and sine wave is generated from the sine wave generator, each having equal frequency as that of the other. Then they are passed through the ring modulator. After passing through the ring modulator, the sine wave, the signal from the sine wave generator and the input signal are multiplied, and the resultant output is this. The resultant output contains a DC component and as well as a sinusoidal component. When they are passed through a low pass filter whose stop band frequency is 500 Hz, the resulting output is given via TIIC 3204 codec through the stereo output, and the serial output is given through the USB port via UART output.
I am Aurojyoti. I will be telling you about the output of our project. We are using a function generator to generate a sine wave at nearly 8 kHz. Then we are giving it as input to the DSP. Then we are using in the DSP the module means the processing is done. Then after that we are getting the output from the stereo output. Then after that in the stereo output port there are two channels, left output channel and right output channel. I am using the left output channel to show the final output, that is the DC component that we are receiving here, and the right output channel shows the modulation output which is obtained after getting the product of the reference signal and the input signal. Here you can see it is the blue. So the final output of the lock-in amplifier is a DC component which is observed here. I would like to conclude by saying that in our project we are setting the frequency of the reference signal manually, but it is done automatically in actual lock-in amplifiers. There is scope to include this arrangement in the DSP, but this has not been considered as of now. Thank you.